Dear students, for today we'll see what do we mean by line follower robot. So here it will be a robot which will be following a particular line, and in the process, in that following process, it is going to move along the line. So here our today's our topic will be line follower robot, the robot which is going to follow a particular line, and along the line it is going to move. So here we will see the image of this line follow robot. So here you can see there are sensors fit here. Now here you can see there are sensors fit here. Now these sensors are called as infrared sensors, which in short form you can call them as IR sensors. Okay, now this IR sensors, now in that arrangement, you will be having one IR LED which will emit the infrared light, and you will be having one photodiode which will receive the reflect. You can see that below the robot, below this system, there is a black line. Okay, now this black and white color will be used over here. Like say for example, when we emit the infrared light, okay, by the IR LED, that light will go and hit the line. Okay, now if the line is black, it will absorb the light and it will not reflect anything back. If the line is lighter in color, if it is white or any lighter in color, then the light which is coming from the IR LED will be reflected back. So if the photodiode receives the reflected light, then the line is white line or the bright line. And if the photodiode does not receive any light, then the line is black line. So here we have to mark certain black line properties, and with that we are going to give the signal to the controller, and the controller will see that the system goes along with that black line. Okay, so we'll see one more image here. So here you can see this image. This is the system, robotic system, which is going to move, and this is going to move along this black line, along this black line. So this black line will be traced properly, and because the black color will absorb the light and it will not reflect back anything, so nothing is detected when the light is incident on it. But when the light is incident on a lighter surface, a white surface, or any a brighter surface, sorry, so in that case you will find that the black line is somewhere else, and with that sensors are going to give the signal to the controller, and with that the controller is going to give its command to the drivers, that is the motor drivers, and the motor drivers will drive the motor and see that the system remains along the black line. Okay, so it is a line follower robot. So here you can see a video on it. So here you can see that the system is following the black line because of the infrared sensor and the photodiode receiver. So the infrared sensor, that is IR LED, is going to emit light, and then whatever light is reflected is taken by the photodiode, and the photodiode received signal will decide whether it has been reflected from a black surface or whether it has been reflected from a white surface. Okay, because on the black surface there will be no reflection of light, it will be absorbed, whereas from the whiter surface or the surface which is bright, from that you can get a reflection of light. So here if you see the block diagram of the line follower robot, so the first part in the robot, as we have seen, will be the sensors. So these are the sensors for line detection, where that exactly line is there. For that you use a sensor. The sensors will receive, now in this sensor you will be having one as IR LED, which is going to emit light. This will be your transmitter, and in that you will be having a photodiode which will receive light, and that will act as a receiver. So transmitter and receiver section. Now that received signal, whether you are receiving from a darker surface or whether you are receiving from a brighter surface, that will be given to the controller. The controller will make a decision making whether we have to shift the motor side here and there so that it is going to follow the line correctly or no. So based on that, it will give instruction to the motor driver. The motor driver will drive the appropriate motor, and with that motor motion, either the robot system will go to the left or the right, and it will see that the line on which it is going to move is followed. Then, if you go to see the block diagram description, we have sensors which are called as IR sensors, that is infrared sensors. We have used IR sensor module as the line detecting sensor for the project. It consists of an IR LED and a photodiode and some other components like a comparator LED, etc. So here you can see you are having this IR system where you are having the transmitter and receiver. So here you see it is written as TX, it is a transmitter, and this blue color LED is your IR, that is the infrared LED. This is infrared LED which is going to emit light, which is going to emit light. It is going to send the light, and that light will be reflected back to the photodiode. This is your photodiode. Okay, this is your photodiode. And here you can see that it is written as RX receiver. So this is receiver part and this is your transmitter part. Okay, so this is your module of your sensors where you have a IR LED which is going to transmit light, which is acting as a transmitter, and you'll be having a photodiode which will receive light and will convert that into electrical energy, and that will be taken as a processing signal, and that will be given to the controller, and then the controller will execute this algorithm and then give its information to the motor drivers, and then the motor drivers will drive the motor and see that there is a correct movement of the robotic system so that it follows the line. So here again we have shown the IR LED. So here you can see this is the IR LED which is shown in blue in color. Now that is going to emit light, and when the surface is light colored one, when the surface is light colored one, or if it is a white surface, then you can see this reflected light. It will go to the photodiode, which is the receiver. Similarly, with the same example, if you see IR LED and it is going to emit light, okay, the light, if it hits a black surface, the black line, the black color will absorb the light and there will be no reflection here, no reflection. So there is no light reaching the photodiode. So in that case, it is going to understand it is the black surface. And this technique will be used to detect the black color line which the robotic system is going to follow. Then a controller is the main part of the system. The data from the sensors, that is IR sensors, will be given to the controller and it gives the corresponding signal to the motor driver IC. The motor driver IC is used to drive the motors of the robot. It receives signals from the controller based on the information from the infrared sensors, that is IR sensors. Then if you see as a whole the working of line follower robot, then we can conclude that the a concept of the line follower robot is related to light, that we know now because we are going to use the infrared LED and the photodiode module for transmitter and receiver, and it is going to be based on light reflection. Okay, so the a concept of a line follower robot is related to light. Here we use the behavior of light on the black and white surface. The white color reflects all the light that falls on it, whereas the black color absorbs the light. In this line follower robot, we use IR transmitters and receivers. Okay, so IR transmitter, that is infrared transmitters, are your IR LEDs which are going to emit infrared light. And receivers will be your photodiodes which are going to receive the light and convert that light into electrical energy. They are used to send and receive the lights. When IR rays fall on a white surface, it is reflected towards the IR receiver, that is the photodiode, generating some voltage changes. Similarly, when IR rays falls on a black surface, it is absorbed by the black surface and no rays are reflected. Thus, the IR receiver does not receive any rays. These received rays of light will control the movement of the robot. So this is your working of your line follower robot. The infrared detection system uses 5 essential elements: an infrared source, a transmission medium, optical a component, infrared detectors, and signal processing. And infrared transmission can be done through the vacuum, atmosphere, and optical fibers. Any medium you can use. Okay. So this is your basic idea or basic working principle of a line follower robot. Thank you, students.